Good morning, everyone. Today we will do the same chapter revision. Okay. Few questions we discussed previous day. And what about you people prepared any one word questions for this chapter?
I have the aid of the economics.
That Oswald you are telling. Just wait. What you do? Take your textbook and B section. Now here both the sections are there, right? But it is very less. The number is very less. Okay, B section, do one thing. Prepare questions, one mark questions or objective questions from the first 5 pages. C section, remaining all the pages. First 7 pages, B section. Remaining all pages, C section. Okay. First 7 pages. First chapter, development only. Because we have only 2 chapters. Seminar, I will. Now, who is remaining for the seminar? Elsa. Okay. Remaining?
Boston.
Boston is not present. Another person?
Emerin.
Emrin also not present. Okay.
Dominic.
Elsa? Dominic. What about Dominic? Dominic?
Devasena.
Dominic, did you prepare for seminar? Prepare one paper, right? Those who have done, those have not done. I told you to prepare, right? Okay. So I will ask that now. Who is not doing seminar? I'll just put 0 for them. That's all. Yes.
What is income and other goals? Income is the most important component of development. Besides seeking for more income, one way or other, people also seek things like equal treatment, freedom, education, security, respect for others, job, peace, pollution-free environment, etc. All these are important goals. Means that people have different developmental goals. Many of them wish for better treatment, equality, freedom, but other people also wish like job, wages, high wages, job security, etc. In some cases, a person wish for high job wages and a proper job security, but they may only require a high wage but no job security. Hence, the developmental goal is not perfect for them. Most people have higher income as developmental goal. People have other departmental goals than higher income, like well-being of life, closeness with friends and colleagues, equal treatment and security, respect and freedom, opportunity to improve his skills.
Okay, so here it is. People have other developmental goal. It is right.
Yes, ma'am. People have a mix of goals for development. Income is a measurable goal. Money. Ma'am?
Explain. You can read one sentence and you can explain.
Okay. People have a mix of goal for development. It means that every people have different type of goals. The developmental goal for me may not be the same as for yours. Income is measurable goal in terms of money. Income is one of the important component of development.
Very good.
There are developmental goals which are not measurable, like equal treatment, freedom. There are all important developmental goals, but cannot
Cannot measure.
be bought by money or income. The non-measurable developmental goals are sometimes more important than measurable goals, like income. Non-measurable developmental goals like respect, security, and equality are more important than income when it comes to working women and encouraging more women to work. For women, they wish for equal treatment as men and freedom like men and income also equal as everyone. Thank you.
Basic,
Slowly.
basic facilities like education, food, health, electricity, sanitation, safe drinking water, shelter, security, etc. That are given collectively by government. Public facilities are essential facilities that need to be provided to everyone. The presence of proper public facilities like electricity and public transport would benefit many people in more ways than one. The presence of public facilities is essential, and responsibility for ensuring the availability lies with the government.
So what can you just tell what all public facilities in your own words? What are public facilities? What all comes under? Yeah.
Public facilities are like government facilities need to be provided to everyone.
What all will come under that?
Water, shelter.
Electricity, rather than shelter, water, sanitation facility, education, health, all those things will come. Okay. Next.
They are important. They are important because there are many services like education, health, transport, etc., which have to be which have become cheap and affordable if provided collectively.
That
Public
means
facilities
it will be cheap if it is provided by whom?
by government.
Government. Okay.
Public facilities are important as they ensure basic needs of people get fulfilled in an affordable way. Public facilities are important as they ensure basic needs of people get fulfilled in an affordable way.
Why do we say that it is important?
Because the people can fulfill their needs
in cheaper manner, affordable way in the sense in cheaper manner. Okay.
Public facilities provide availability, accessibility, and affordability to all class of people.
Because it is available for everyone, not to some people.
Some public facilities are necessary to make sure of other facilities. For example, electricity connection will be used in schools, primary health centers, farming, etc. Example of public facilities include government school, government hospitals, public transport services, etc. Thank you.
Okay. And I want everyone to post the answer in the chat box. Okay.
What is meant by development?
What is meant by development? It's a big answer, right? It should not be like one full sentence. It should be one word. Next question. Because like these questions only will be there for you for the exam, objective questions.
The concept of sustainable development is related to whom?
Concept of sustainable development is related to what? Okay. No option. You can write the answer in the chat box.
So the sustainable development.
The concept of sustainable development is related to dash. One answer I got. Two answers, but both are different. I know, forgot. That is too much, okay? Who will say that? All will know. Which generation? Okay, wait. Shiva?
It is that we are keeping future generations, not using, not wasting.
Wait. Eva,
Ma'am, that
answer?
question is related to generations. Like,
It is related to generation. Okay, that question is little bit vague. Okay, next question.
agriculture is related to which sector?
Agriculture is related to which sector?
Primary sector.
I told that post your answer in the chat box. Don't say. Okay, let everyone answer. I want to see everyone is answering. Okay, so already the answer is told now. Next question.
What are the essential commodities provided through the public distribution system in India?
It should be one word.
Ma'am, it's a one word.
Only one word?
Two words.
No, many will be there. What you are asking, what are the public facilities provided by the government, right?
No, what are the essential commodities provided through the public distribution system in India?
Okay, let me see. There also many can come. Through public distribution, what are the essential goods are distributed? Okay, Shania has given one answer. Only one answer I got. Aaron, Sovel, Kshetra, Rohan, all can type the answer. Sean. Okay, Sanya has given. Then only two answers I got now. Remaining. Navneet.
Am I correct?
Wait. Yours.
It is, I think it is at the races.
No, through ration shops, what all things are distributed? That's what she's asking. What all essential things are distributed? That is the question.
I got it.
Okay. At least you can write in your own words what are distributed, especially through the ration shops. Essential one when we say, okay, if say the answer, if
Fertilizers and that is it.
these are the essential goods, right? For the people.
Ma'am,
Eva?
rice, sugar,
Wheat.
and kerosene.
Okay, Eva, what are the things you just tell?
Wheat,
Hmm.
rice,
Hmm.
sugar,
Hmm.
and kerosene.
So like this, so many questions, so many answers should not come. Okay. Next.
Average income is also known as.
Average income is also known as type. Okay. Type the answer. Okay, correct.
Answer is liquid.
Hello, no talking. Now for this, I got many answers. All are typing. All are thorough with this. Okay. Next question. Is there any one more question or more?
India comes with the of countries. category.
India comes in which category of country? Okay. Okay. Next one. Elena, did you prepare?
No, ma'am. Next class I will prepare and come.
Okay, good. Okay, Susan, what about you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start.
What is the full form of IMR?
No, it's not audible. What is the
Full form of IMR.
IMR? What is the full form of IMR? Write in the chat box, okay? Justin, please write the answer in the chat box.
And the
IMR.
concept related about the concept.
Nothing, Fizan, you will write in the chat box. Whoever has given answer, that is correct. What about, yes. Okay. Correct. That is infant mortality rate. Next question.
Dash measures the proportion of literacy population in the 7 and above age group.
I hope all of you understood the question.
Some not clear. Literacy up to that.
Okay, all answers those who have given, it's no, one answer is wrong in this. Once more, can you read the question, Susan?
Dash measures the proportion of literacy population in 7 and above age group.
7 and above age group. It is not net attendance ratio. It is literacy rate. Okay, next question.
Dash is the total number of children of age group 14 and 13 years attending school as a percentage of total number of children in the same age group.
Shania, correct? Correct. Minha, correct. Abin, correct.
Question not clear.
Atul, clear. Atulya, correct. Question is not clear. Once more, can you read? Anjali, correct.
Dash is the total number of children of age group 14 and 13 years attending school as a percentage of total number of children in the same age group.
Karthik, correct. Navneet, correct. Almost 12, 13 answers are whatever you gave, it's correct. Okay. Srihari, correct. Okay, next question.
For development, people look at a mix of dash.
Mix of dash. For development, people look at mix of dash. Correct. Gauri, correct. Shania. Development goals. That's enough. Okay, correct. Different goals. Goals. All are writing correct one. Okay. Next one.
What may be development for one may not be the development for that.
What may be development for one may not be development for dash. Okay, Elsa correct. Anjali, Sean correct. Gauri, Raya correct. Karthik correct. Sriram correct. Minha correct. Isha, Eben, Atulya, Shania. Okay, Shania, the question is what may be development for one may not be development for dash. Yeah, others may not be development for others. Okay. Now, Srihari, questions?
Ma'am, I'm preparing.
Whatever you prepared.
Dash are essential facilities provided by the government to people.
Dash are essential facilities provided by the government to people. What is that? Dash are essential facilities. He's not asking the things, examples he's not asking. What do you mean by that? No. Wrong. Dash are facilities. Once more, can you read that question? Dash are facilities.
Dash are essential facilities
Hmm.
provided by government to people.
Not basic services. There is a term for that. Not healthcare. That's what I said. No examples. There is a particular term for that. What is that? So that's a good question. Nobody is getting. Lena, you are correct. No, Elsa, no. Atulya, correct. Gautam, correct. Once more, Srihari, repeat the question.
Dash are essential facilities provided by government to people.
Provided by government to people. Srihari, tell the answer.
Public facilities.
Public facilities. Okay, that's what I told. He's not asking any example or anything. Dash are essential. What do you mean by that? That is what he is asking. Okay, next question.
Examples of public facilities.
Examples of public facilities. Don't want any other question.
Essential
See,
money.
you can give some options and you can ask which one of the following is a public facility. You can ask. It can be question like that also. Okay, so if you ask examples of public facilities in the sense that will be more, I mean, many will be there. So it will be difficult. Yes, next.
And I'm asking assertion reason.
Okay, sure.
Assertion money may not be able to protect you from infectious diseases. Reason unless the whole community takes preventive steps against the disease, it will spread.
Okay, answer.
Ma'am, first not pair.
First one was not clear. Money is not essential. What is that? Okay, tell.
Money may not be able to protect you from infectious diseases.
Disease.
Reason unless the whole community takes preventive steps against the disease, it will spread.
Okay, what is the answer? This question you made or you got from guide? You made, right? Because that another way it is asked. Okay, what is the answer?
Second one correct. First one wrong.
First one also. Second one is wrong unless you take the whole community take steps. That's what he is telling. It's not wrong. Okay, what's the answer, Srihari?
Ma'am, assertion and reason are
correct. Okay, and reason is the correct explanation. Okay, next one.
Girls are not able to go to high school because the society has not provided dash.
Okay. Once more, repeat the question.
Girls are not able to go to high school because the society has not provided dash.
Two different answers. Okay.
Options.
No option. See, society has not provided. Okay.
Society has not provided to
Srihari, say the answer.
Adequate facilities.
Facilities, adequate facilities. Okay. Next one.
Full form of PDS.
Full form of
PDS.
PDS.
I know.
Okay. No. Write in the chat box. Full form of PDS. Correct, Minha. Correct. Anjali, correct. Gauri, correct. Ilsa, correct. Shiva, correct. Malita, correct. I think this all no. Gautam, correct. Sean, correct. Okay, this is correct. Yes, ma'am. What? Yes, ma'am. That's the correct one. Fizan, say the answer. Fizan, say the answer.
Public distribution system.
Okay, public distribution system. Okay, next one. Okay, Gautam, what about you?
Ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, start.
The per capita income of Kerala from 2015 to 16.
Okay, 2016 to
15 to 16.
15 to 16.
Yes.
Type the answer. Only 3 answers I got.
Correct now.
Wait. Question once more. Once more question. Some are asking, how come different per capita income is coming for Kerala?
I think it is correct. 12. That.
I think that the new one which I gave, some of you might have copied. The other one might have not copied, right? I made you to make some changes in your textbook. Along with that, I think who all did that correction?
I wrote only that old.
Old one. Okay. Shania, just say the answer then according to the new one. No, there also I can see different numbers. That's why I'm asking. Some are typing 1,84,000. Some are typing 1,63,475. Srihari, did you make the correction? No.
Yes, ma'am.
What number you have written?
1,84,000.
84,000. Okay. Okay, done now. Answer. Okay, next question.
Ma'am, Gautam had some network issues trying to reach it.
Okay. Just wait. Let me take the attendance now. It's bye everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.